This is the power source to my shop. And this is my shop, 60 by 40. Built in about 2 weeks. I have the containers on each side here that allow for storage. I've got these nice temporary garage doors. Keep some snow out. Nice gravel floor for now. Little operating room here for trucks on this side. So there's one garage door, 2 and 3. 3 different areas. Have these workbenches, solid steel. This one here, this giant one here, this one here with wheels on it, and a wood stove, which can provide some heat in the cold weather for now. Got the plasma screen TV. And it's just all metal roofing, metal siding. It's a barn pole kind of inspired shipping container building. So let's take a walk up here and show you a view. You gonna try and climb up here, Mimi? Think you can make it? Go on. So I have full height here. Enough head height so you don't hit your head, which is how I designed it. I wanted it so this was all usable space up here on both sides, all 4 corners. So I laid out the shipping container here and the other one there. And then I also wanted the least amount of poles in the middle, like structure poles. So kind of designed it with each of these posts here, like a pole barn. It's okay, I'm right here, buddy. And then I just started framing from one side to the other. Laid these 2 containers out so it was squared up. And then I have my poles in the middle. And then started putting cross pieces all along to hold one side of the roof. And then I had my middle piece, which is really beefy here, going all the way across. And then I've got my ceiling, all these joists put in. The metal siding, and then I had myself a nice dry shop. Concrete floor, be nice. Put that in. And this floor, just put a solid subfloor on here and insulate all the walls, ceilings and stuff. I didn't really want any windows just for security, but I could probably put some so I have a nice view out there. It's just all trees and forest. This little seating area here, if you want to have a little meeting. All the fishing rods, boating pole, fishing nets. A little bar slash workbench zone in there. Kind of living area here. Yeah, so a room the floor would go all the way out to here, maybe to where those 2 chairs are, to that UFC bag, and then just a boardwalk across to that side. The thing I didn't want was a typical shipping container building with either like a metal coverall or tarp coverall on it. So I've also seen some other people who make it like really small with these giant 40-foot containers, and their inside span is like only 1 bay wide or 1.5 wide. And I think it's the best like shipping container building ever, but I want it big. It's gonna make it even bigger, but I can always expand onto the other side or make separate buildings. So yeah, I want it really big like this for machines to come into the headroom. This is the outside. Didn't want any huge overhangs, just for wind. Wanted to build it fast before the winter, which I did. This is the back side here. So it all really blends in nice. The black color, it's pretty camouflaged. So all the water kind of flows away from the building here. And just the rocks for protection from machines and equipment that could come around here. At the front, I also have the rocks. So when you're driving in and out. And light tower here, diesel powered. They can light this whole place up easily. But it'd be nice to have just a remote battery powered operation going on. Have a security camera, Wi-Fi off the grid out here. This whole building is off the grid, just powered by that one little Honda generator. So I got this big diesel generator here on that light tower, and then another larger welding generator in that trailer. It's got all my tools in there for welding, doing whatever, fixing up any piece of equipment, any woodworking, stuff like that, concrete work, interlocking stone, digging, hand tools, everything. And that's just a quick view of all the equipment for my landscape company.